it's like another family away from home. So it's nice having a crew like that. I've tried to get multiple people to come here just because I know how great of a place it is to work. I'm Tom Brown. I am a journeyman electrician. What I really like about Cardinal is there's a purpose to working here. You're rewarded for the hard work that you do, and those hours of work, it goes noticed from the management that they reward us for the hard work that we put in. I feel like our electrical manager, Andy, he's here every day. We get to talk to him. He's just like another coworker. He doesn't act like a powerful manager. He's there and communicating with us, and if we have any problems, he's very open to helping us out and answering our questions. I never felt criticized if I didn't know something. Some guys are better at other things that we kind of all feel comfortable asking each other questions on how to get something done. Being able to have small talk every once in a while before going out to our jobs, or even after. Everyone around is always in a positive attitude, great mood. I don't know when I've showed up and people are putting each other down. It's always uplifting showing up to work, and I can't complain compared to all the other places I've worked. This place it's not a job. It's something, another place to go. It's fun. I find joy in going to work.